The stool can be examined by the following techniques: wet mount examination, iodine preparation, and concentration techniques. Saline specimen preparation. Place a drop of normal saline on a labeled glass slide. Using an applicator stick, transfer a small portion of the stool from the mucoid or blood or particulate matter in a watery stool and mix well in the saline. Place a cover slip over it without any air bubbles and examine immediately. Iodine specimen preparation. Place a drop of Lugol's iodine on a labeled glass slide. Using an applicator stick, transfer a small portion of the stool from mucoid, blood, or particulate matter in a watery stool and mix well in the saline. Place a cover slip over it without any air bubbles and examine immediately. Concentration method. If the number of parasites in the stool specimens is low, the examination of a direct wet mount may not reveal them, and hence the stool should be concentrated. Fill a test tube half with saturated saline. Add a small amount of stool in it and emulsify well with an applicator stick. Fill the tube to the brim with saturated saline. Cover with a glass slide touching the surface of the mixture. Leave undisturbed for 15 minutes. Remove the slide without spillage. Place on a flat surface and cover the area smeared with the sample with a cover slip, taking care to avoid air bubbles. Examine under the microscope. To examine the slide, put the slide with the mounts on the microscope stage and focus on the mount with the low power objective first. Systematically scan the entire cover slip area using the 10x objective in a zigzag manner. If something suspicious is seen, a higher magnification may be necessary. Note: it is preferable to keep the condenser down and the intensity of the light low for proper visualization of the ova and cysts. Quality control. Split sample testing should be performed monthly on the same sample by 2 technicians. Inter-lab comparisons is another method of ensuring quality control.